Hi, I'm John McLemore here to show you how to assemble your Masterbuilt 30-inch Bluetooth digital electric smoker. Before we get started, be sure to read all the instructions inside of your manual and remove all packaging from inside of your smoker. To assemble this smoker, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, an adjustable wrench, and a clean flat surface to work on. First, lay your smoker on its side and attach the grease tray supports using 2 B screws on the outer tabs and 1 D screw on the inner tab for each support. Next, attach each of the front feet to the base of the smoker by using 5 A screws on each foot. After the feet are attached, screw each of the side panels into place using 4 B screws. Next, attach the 2 wheels to the back of the smoker using 4 C screws for each one. Then screw the adjustable screw legs into place. You can adjust the leg screw to level the smoker by turning it clockwise or counterclockwise and tightening the tension nut. Now that all the bottom pieces have been attached, stand your smoker up so you can attach the handle. Using 4 of the A screws, attach the handle to the back of the smoker. Be sure not to over tighten. Once that's done, slide the grease tray into the opening at the bottom of the smoker. Then open the smoker door and slide the 4 smoking rack supports into place on the smoker walls. When those are in place, slide the racks into the supports, making sure the bend on the rack is to the rear. Next, attach the sun shield to the control panel, place the water bowl onto the lowest bracket, slide the ashtray into the slot above the heating element, place the drip tray at the bottom of the smoker, making sure the hole in the pan aligns with the hole in the smoker, and finally, insert the wood chip loader into the side of the smoker. Now that your smoker is assembled, you'll need to pre-season it so you can start smoking some dadgum good food.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.